POV. You're outside, your phone is at 1%. You're trying to book a grab, and you can already feel the ancestral spirits calling you home.
Not today. Today, we are reviewing the top 3 high-capacity power banks in the Philippines that will save your life and your laptop.
First up, the Anker 25,000 megaha 100 watts. This isn't just a power bank, this is a literal portable Meralco substation.
It has 3 ports. You can charge your iPhone, your iPad, and your heavy-duty laptop at the same time. It charges a MacBook to 50% in 33 minutes.
Next, the Ugreen 100 watt. At around 2,400 pesos, this is the sleek speedster. If the Anker is an SUV, this is a sports car.
It's super compact, but still packs a 100-watt punch. Perfect for squeezing into your bag when you're running late for a shoot.
Finally, the Baseus 100W. This one is for my chaotic friends who constantly scream, "Hala, nakalimutan ko yung cable ko!" It has built-in dual cables. No more tangles, no more hunting for cords in your backpack. So, need ultimate laptop power? Go Anker. Want sleek speed? Ugreen. Always forgetting your cords? Baseus. Links are in the description. Like and follow for more tech reviews that won't bore you to death. Bye!